Then the last part that we learned from this first round of clinical trials is about the manufacturing, which is extremely expensive. And all the companies that are making CAR T cells do not make a lot of money selling their products because it's so hard to produce them. And right now, everything that has been FDA approved is autologous, meaning that you're taking the patients, you have to take their cells, engineer them. It takes a lot of skilled people to do that. It takes also some time. So, there's usually between 3 weeks and a month between the moments they draw the blood and they're injecting back their CAR Ts. And if you have a very aggressive tumors, the patients may pass already. Right? So this is a very variable manufacturing where right now they're all using viral vectors that integrate randomly throughout the genomes. You cannot expect the level of expressions. You cannot expect how many copies get integrated, where it gets integrated. It's very variable. So we need to really make a better manufacturing. And what you guys are doing at TreeFrog is, I think, one of the way to approach that. Yeah.